If you're not using AI, you're doing things in a much slower way. You're not going to be able to be as productive as quickly. Using something like LEAi, the information stays private, so it's not training its model on your data. We can't use the open source because it remains in their database, even if it's not training. So we're not allowed to use that at many companies. Our procurement process is pretty heavy duty, and I've had problems getting some other software through that wasn't AI that I wanted to use, but we were able to put LEAi through really quickly. And so it met all of the data privacy requirements, which was really important to the team. So from that perspective, it wasn't as much of a lift. And explaining it to your IT teams that you're really only using it for course creation and there is no customer data ever going into LEAi, it shouldn't be difficult to push it through. But those are the things that you really need to understand is you need to, when you're talking to your IT team or your InfoSec or your privacy team, you really need to let them know that no customer data will ever go in here. No customer names would ever go in it, because we don't include customer names when we're doing courses anyway. So that's not a change in process. That's just explaining to other teams what we're doing. The advantages of using something like LEAi to get the first draft of questions is huge and being able to separate out those questions. The ideas for activities that it comes out with are great. And now with the new conversational, the different types of writing that we can do with it to rewrite it, I'm even using it to try and come up with a little bit more marketing-y course descriptions. So I started doing that this morning and got some really cool ones there. So excited to see that.